Ready, Peter?
I don't know the question, so I don't know if I'm ready.
That's a big question.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
What is talent? Wow.
As a student, you both need to be able and to be motivated.
If you really want to develop your talents, you have to bring a lot of sacrifices.
I see a tendency that when you're working with talent in higher education, what you are looking at is actually not high potential, but more high achieving.
We develop all different types of tools and of course videos to stimulate teachers to find their way in talent education.
With my participation in this program, I really hope that together we can create tools to create more awareness that teachers should equip themselves better as talented teachers.
There will be a new body of knowledge and we will reach out to other people.
Being professional, being civilized is always working for excellence.
Yes!